Should I buy or sell TQQQ? The report for TQQQ was first published on our website Friday, December 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 25, 2022, our system ranks TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.941. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 5.08% since we first told you to buy TQQQ 6 days ago. This is an average return of 0.85% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for TQQQ, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for TQQQ as ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. The TQQQ ETF price fell by -1.41% on the last day, Friday, December 2, 2022, from $23.73 to $23.39. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 5.54% from a day low at $22.39 to a day high of $23.63. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 9.14% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -24 million shares and in total, 164 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.83 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $87.49, and the lowest price was $16.32. Right now the price is 73.27%, or $64.10, below 52-week high and 87.75%, or $167.49, below all-time high January 8, 2021 lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $23.65 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -15.59% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -45.24% and -14.64%. The 12-month trend indicates a -74.11% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and -77.08%. This equals a price between $0 and $5.36 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $22.45 and $20.78. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 1, 2022, and so far it has fallen -1.41%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 237 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 71 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 66 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $22.58, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $1.24 between high and low, or 5.54%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 6.65%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, TQQQ meets first resistance at $24.60. If you do not hold TQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, TQQQ finds first level of support at $22.58, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $22.35, minus 4.46%. This ETF has high daily movements, and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is TQQQ ETF a buy? TQQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 5th, we expect TQQQ to open down $0.253 and start trading at $23.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember